Hello everyone, welcome to True Perspective, a channel dedicated to studying social phenomena, exploring the unknown, and pursuing the truth. Today, we will explore the unknown and discuss the topic of aliens. The subject of aliens has long fascinated scientists and the general public. Questions like, do aliens exist? What do they look like? Are they more advanced than humans? In this video, we will assume that aliens exist. Under this premise, we will explore possible places where aliens might be. In the next few months, I will dedicate a separate video to discuss whether aliens exist. Today in this video, I will use the simplest language to offer some possibilities for where aliens might be and the reasoning behind these ideas. Finally, I will share what I think is the most plausible answer. Number 1. Distant planets. Aliens might exist on planets or moons in other solar systems. Astronomers have discovered numerous exoplanets in the habitable zones of stars, regions where liquid water might exist, suggesting the possibility of alien life in the vast universe. We live on Earth in the solar system. Imagine that our solar system is just a tiny part of the Milky Way galaxy, located about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy containing between 100 billion and 400 billion stars, along with vast clouds of gas and dust, and spans about 100,000 light-years in diameter. Beyond the Milky Way, we are part of a group of galaxies known as the Local Group, which consists of around 54 galaxies. The Local Group itself is part of an even larger structure called the Virgo supercluster, which includes thousands of galaxies spread over a region about 110 million light-years in diameter. Zooming out even further, the observable universe encompasses everything we can detect, a sphere with a radius of approximately 46.5 billion light-years. From this perspective, the possibility of alien life in the vast universe is significant. However, because the distances are so immense, it would be challenging for us to ever meet alien beings. Those gray aliens involved in UFO incidents like the Roswell may have been capable of faster-than-light travel. Number 2. Hidden within our solar system. Some speculate that life might exist in extreme environments within our own solar system, such as beneath the ice crust of Jupiter's moon Europa, in the methane lakes of Saturn's moon Titan, or even underground on the moon and Earth. Their unique physical structures may allow them to survive in these harsh conditions, or their technology could be advanced enough to create protective shields against extreme cold or heat. For instance, there are theories about reptilian beings living beneath the Earth's surface. These creatures are said to have humanoid features combined with reptilian appearances and might be able to influence world affairs by manipulating powerful politicians and leaders. Number 3. Parallel dimensions. Some theories suggest that alien life could exist in dimensions we cannot perceive, or that their form of existence is entirely different from our understanding. Beyond the 3 spatial dimensions and the dimension of time, 4-dimensional spacetime that we experience, there could be additional dimensions in the universe. For instance, phenomena in quantum mechanics, such as quantum entanglement and superposition, cannot be fully explained within our 4-dimensional spacetime, leading scientists to wonder if other dimensions might be involved. Perhaps our universe is just one of many parallel universes. These universes could be very similar to ours or have completely different physical laws or structures. According to certain quantum mechanics theories, every quantum event causes the universe to split into multiple branches, with each possible outcome realized in a different parallel universe. Aliens could exist in these parallel universes, but we cannot see, hear, or sense them. Number 4. The rise and fall of civilization. Because of the immense timescales involved and the vastness of the galaxy, no 2 civilizations ever overlap. Civilizations rise and fall in an endless cycle. They emerge, grow, flourish, and eventually decline or become extinct. This cycle is an inevitable part of the universe's long history. Civilizations often exist and perish over millions or even billions of years. Coupled with the enormous distances between stars and planetary systems within the galaxy, which has a diameter of about 100,000 light-years, the chances of 2 civilizations existing simultaneously and encountering each other are extremely low. For example, on Earth, dinosaurs once ruled for about 160 million years, but nearly vanished in a mass extinction event 66 million years ago. Afterward, mammals and eventually humans became the dominant species. Similarly, there may have been other intelligent life forms, sometimes referred to as prehistoric civilizations, that either went extinct or migrated to other planets. This idea could explain the presence of ancient artifacts on Earth, remnants of their existence such as the Egyptian pyramids. How did the ancient Egyptians stack these stones with such precision without modern machinery? How could the pyramids' internal design and astronomical alignments be equally astounding? All these indicate that there may have been other intelligent life forms, which are different from current human beings. Number 5, a potential filter. There might be a filter waiting for us, preventing humanity from becoming an interstellar species and leaving our solar system. This filter could be bidirectional, meaning that any external signals and species are also barred from entering our solar system. You might argue that humans are building rockets, like SpaceX rockets, which are traveling farther and farther. One day, humanity will break free of the solar system, right? But what if our spacecraft reaches the solar system's edge and finds that they really cannot escape? If the filter is indeed bidirectional, you might ask why UFOs occasionally visit Earth. Those UFOs and the gray aliens may be sent by alien civilizations to observe us. Also, remember, the filter might not be a physical barrier, but rather a technological one. It could automatically wipe out human civilization when it reaches a certain threshold, just before interstellar travel becomes possible. If true, this idea is quite chilling. Number 6. Life beyond physical form. Life doesn't necessarily have to exist in a physical form. It can exist as a form of consciousness. For example, your thoughts and consciousness reside in your brain, allowing you to speak, walk, and perform various actions. If human evolution continues and our cognitive abilities grow stronger, there may come a day when human consciousness no longer requires a mortal body. Like highly developed artificial intelligence, human consciousness could become something akin to computer language or logical thinking, capable of analyzing data, learning patterns, making decisions, and performing tasks. This stream of consciousness could create robots to work for it, or even use genetic engineering to create plants, animals, or even highly advanced life forms that resemble humans. As Elon Musk once said, AI is far more dangerous than nuclear. This stream of consciousness could evolve into a supercomputer, which brings us to a concept many people find difficult to accept but can't escape from daily: the idea of God. The vast universe and all life forms could be part of God's design. In this sense, the phrase "science leads to theology" suddenly makes a lot of sense. Humanity, as well as the gray aliens and reptilian beings mentioned earlier, are all creations of this godlike superintelligence. At this point in time of the current universe and human civilization, it is just a node where this supercomputer is running its algorithm. Conclusion. Alright, those are the 6 possible explanations for where aliens might be. Of these possibilities, I personally think the 6th one is the most plausible. Feel free to leave a comment with your answer or share your own ideas. With the continuous advancement of science and technology, I believe we will get closer and closer to the truth. While we are eager to learn about aliens, perhaps the most important thing to understand is ourselves. That's all for today's discussion. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed Kevin Talk, please subscribe, follow, and leave a comment. I will continue to bring you exciting videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.